What is up, my people? I hope everybody is having an amazing day today. Today is Friday here in Central Mississippi, which means it is car meet night. But before we get into the car meet, we gotta get some cars cleaned up. So we have a really special car to clean today, and we're getting our equipment all set up. So right now we're just filling up our 33-gallon water tank and our mobile detailing Civic with all of our goodies in here. Everything is all good. So now I just have to wait for that tank to fill up, and then we're gonna be folding all of our towels, getting everything ready, and get the supercar cleaned up and ready for tonight's meet. So we just made it over here to the client's house. Let me show you guys what we got today. What a beautiful car that was. Oh my gosh, I love the R8, and being inside of it is a huge inspiration for me to get one, which, stay tuned. I promise you right now, mark my words, I will get one or something of that caliber. Anyways, we're gonna head over to the Joe's down our car meet here in a little bit, and I'm gonna get some B-roll for you guys and show you guys all of that as well. But yeah, we got done with the detail, and now it is car meet night, so we're gonna go enjoy with a bunch of homies and just get a bunch of content and just get all the vibes, man. That's what it's about. It's about the vibes. So let's go. We just made it over here to the meet. Meet time, let's arrow. We just made it over here to the car meet. Let's check it out, let's see what they got, bro. Number one, we got this ricer right here, bro. Look at this ricer, bro. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. My boy Ryan's right here, my homie with Vice. Shout out to Vice. Super clean, bro. I'm loving the white lip on the white with the white wheels. So clean. Look at my boy, dude. Look at being all festive.
Well, like at nighttime?
Sheesh. I like it. Of course, we got my car here, the mobile detailing Civic, and of course, we have all the show lights on just to show everybody we mean business. Look at that. Let's go see what else we got over here. We got this thing. Check this out. Sheesh. Big body. These wheels are hard. I love them. The white on white with the white rain guards. Damn. This hood is tough too. I love his front end. I think it looks so good. Shout out to the homies at Vice. They got some heavy hitters out here tonight. As you can see. Y'all might recognize this thing from earlier today. My guy let me drive it, which is crazy. But yeah, this thing is insane. Batmobile right here. Absolute inspiration to one, being able to watch it. Two, being able to ride in it. And three, being able to drive it. Like, bro, come on now. We coming for it. What you think, bro? It's kind of crazy, huh?
This is insane.
Batmobile, bro. Batmobile.
Yo, who brought Batman to the car meet, bro?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Batman's over here, bro. It's crazy. Then they got this thing, my boy Thaddeus. Check it out. The M3. Can't go wrong with the G80, especially with the new ones with the snake eyes. Y'all let me know. Do you like the snake eyes? Do you like the generation before it with the hexagon lights? Looks so sick. And his interior is blue, which is so sick, dude. I love a crazy spec where the interior is not just black, but something cool. And this is white exterior with the blue interior. Absolutely baller. It's my guy right there. Sheesh. We got the fast guys over here. Check it out. The million-mile-per-hour dudes over here. Yo, check out these headlights. So sick. I love lights that have like the little single LED and just looks like angry. I love it. It looks so sick. And this color, oh my gosh. I love this red so much. So sick. I spy with my eye. I'm turbo bigger than my head. Hood exit bigger than my head. Insane. Total sleeper, bro. Imagine seeing this thing pull up next to you and just absolutely blow your ears out. Just destroy you. All the cage and stuff. That's crazy. So sick. My guy Jay, pull up. What up, what up? What's up, my guy? Good night? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Yo, check out my guy's bike, bro. This thing is beautiful, bro. That Busa stretch. Look at this gigantic tire. So sick, though. Everything is chrome. Everything looks so sick, that case. And this thing is bagged, bro. That's insane. So sick. Gotta check out how my homies Evo on the Rays. So sick, dude. I love it. I love me a good Evo. The little harness bar in the back. So fresh and so clean. So nice. Bro, you got better fitment than me, bro. That's crazy. That's sick, bro. That's baller. That is baller. Hey, this guy here. Let's go. So sick. What in the hell? This shit is crazy, bro. This shit thumping. So sick, bro. Love me a good GTI. So unfortunately, I did not get any landscape formatted videos for last night's meet, but I did get the portrait reel formatted content. So I'm gonna post that video right here. And now we're on our way to Spinners in Florence. So we're gonna go hang out with some car group people over there and possibly get some more car content. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me, cause why not? Let's go. I can't take it anymore. Bro, what is this brain rot, bro?
I don't know.
This called the Allah Akbar.
Bro. What? You bombed that bitch! You bombed that bitch! Wow, the stance is crazy. Bro, what the hell, man? Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you. You missed the entire thing.
All of them, every single one of them.
Boy, if you don't get y'all.
The music, bro.
What did he just do? What did he just do?
Look at the scores. 30, 30, 30.
Time is about to. Sheesh.
Hers went into a tree.
Wow.
No, 'cause she had a Shelby too. She had a Shelby and it went into a tree.
Damn. Look, line up, line up. Wow. Carbon fiber.
Hers for hire.
6 inches.